Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a quick side dish and we're going to be using fresh green beans with onion, red and yellow peppers, and this is going to help season our green beans. Let's get started. Okay guys, I picked up a pack of fresh green beans from the market, and we're just going to simply take these green beans and we're going to snap the ends off, or you can gather them up in a bunch and use a knife and cut you a stack at once. We're going to give them a good rinse and then we're going to steam them. So we have rinsed our green beans, and now we're going to have them all prepared and we're ready to put them in the steamer. And we're going to steam them for about 20 minutes. This is an electric steamer that I have, which makes life a whole lot easier when you're having a busy day as I'm having today. However, if you don't have a steamer, you can always use a pot and you can place them in the water and let them cook for about 10 minutes in some boiling water. And then you take them up and you put them in an ice bath, and that's to stop the cooking process. But my steamer is going to take care of all of that for me, and we're just going to place them in the steamer, and it's a 3-tiered steamer. We're only going to use 2 of those tiers today, and we're going to set our timer for 20 minutes and we're going to get them steaming. And as they're steaming, I can continue on cutting up my vegetables, getting ready to complete this dish. Okay, let's continue on. So while our beans are in the steamer, we're going to go ahead and cut up our peppers and onion and get them all prepared for sauteing. So our garbage bowl there. And I just like to take mine and cut them lengthwise. Then take half our onion. It's going to bring lots of flavor to our dish. And those are our veggies. So we're just waiting on our green beans, but we're going to go ahead and go to the stove and we're going to prep our pan and get it nice and hot. And once those green beans come out, we'll be ready to toss them around in the peppers and the onion. In our pan we have some butter and olive oil, and we're going to go ahead and get our vegetables in. Alright guys, we have our stove set at a medium high, and we're just going to toss our vegetables around. We still want to keep them crunchy. And take a look at those green beans. And see, they still have a lot of form to them. We don't want them mushy, we want them to still have that form to them. And we're going to continue cooking our vegetables, and then we're tossing our green beans. We're going to put some minced garlic in there, about a tablespoon. Ooh, that amped that flavor up some more. That's going so good. Time for our green beans. Go ahead and just get them all in there. Okay. Look at those colors. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright. So I'm going to be using a garlic and herb seasoning here. And not a lot. We're just trying to wake our green beans up since we didn't put any salt or anything on there. Beautiful. A little bit of sazon. beautiful is that? Alright, let me taste one. Let me make sure I have enough salt. And we just, oh wow, I am loving that. Let's taste it. You have a crunch to it and everything. Beautiful. Just a little cracked black pepper, just because. Okay, in about 20 minutes, we have a completed side dish. Green beans. Aren't they beautiful? Guys, go ahead. Please subscribe to my channel, comment, and give me a thumbs up. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.